And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to place a portrait within text in Photoshop. I've got this new image open and I'll copy it once by pressing Ctrl J. We will have the origin as a backup. Now I'll use the quick selection tool to make a selection of the model. This time it's a bit trickier, so we really have to zoom in, hold Alt and use the mouse wheel. And then go over the edges. If you want to get rid of parts of your selection, just hold Alt to have that minus sign appearing. If you want to move around within the image, use the spacebar and then your mouse. So let me create a layer mask. And I'm going to create a background that's white. I'll rename the layer. And as you can already see, the edges aren't really that properly selected. So we need to select the mask, increase the radius slightly. And we will go over the edges with the Refine Edge brush tool. I'm going to speed this up one more time. When you're done, click on OK, and now we still need to work on edges by using the brush tool and black and white color. With black you can get rid of parts and white makes them visible again. As I've said, this image is a bit trickier, so take your time to have the best results you can. When you're done, open a new layer. This time we're going to write text on it, make it black. I'll use Kadugi as a font. I'll increase the size, press Ctrl T and you can transform it. And afterwards I will center it properly, press Ctrl A and then use the menu of the move tool. I'll reposition our original image a little bit and resize it. Press Ctrl T and you can do so. And it looks fine, but I want to add some elements, so I simply copy it, press Ctrl J. And this one doesn't have a clipping mask, so it is not exclusively shown in the text. As you can see, this was the original. It has a layer mask as we have cut out the model, but it is not clipped to our text. And now I'll use the pen tool to create selections. When you have created a path, just right click and then make selection. And simply click on OK. Afterwards, just go to select and inverse, and then you can paint with black and white on your layer mask of our image copy. I'll repeat the process in the areas where I don't want to have it shown. You don't necessarily have to use the pen tool only, you can use the marquee tool as well to get proper edges. And this is our final result. Try to recreate it. The more time you put into it, the better the results will look. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.